Okay, now we can wash the sink. It is important to wash it properly before we finish it. Okay? As you have to clean up properly.